In this video, I will show you how to find top and bottom performers in Power BI using DAX measures. I'll walk through creating the aggregation measures, assigning ranks with rank X, and then using if and VAR to return only the items you want. For example, the top branch by sales, the month with the lowest quantity sold, the top 2 product categories, and more. I will also show how to validate each result using a simple table visual. First, create the basic aggregation for sales. Create a new measure and name it sum sales, equal to the sum function applied to your total sales column. In words, the measure should read, sum sales equal to sum of total sales. This gives you the total sales value that you will use as an expression inside ranking and other calculations. Always create these simple aggregation measures first, because they are reusable and make the rest of your DAX easier to read and maintain. Next, assign ranks to branches by sales using rank X. Create a new measure and name it branch rank, equal to rank X over all of the branch column using the sum sales measure as the expression. Leave the value argument blank, order by descending, ties handled as dense. What this does is it compares every branch against every other branch on the aggregated sales and assigns rank 1 to the highest sales, rank 2 to the second highest, and so on. To verify the rank measure is correct, add a table visual, put branch and branch rank in it, and you should see distinct ranks from 1 up to the number of branches. Now return sales only for the top branch using if. Create a new measure called sales, equal to if where the logical test is branch rank less than or equal to 1, the value if true is sum sales, and the value if false is blank. Add branch and sales to a table visual. You should see a single branch row showing the sales for the top-ranked branch. If you want to validate, also add the raw total sales column from the data to the same visual and sort to confirm the branch returned by the measure is indeed the highest. If you prefer to combine the ranking and the if logic into a single measure rather than splitting it into separate rank and result measures, use VAR and return. Create a measure named sales condensed equal to. Inside it, declare VAR branch rank equal to rank X over all of branch using sum sales as the expression and ordering descending with dense ties. Then write return and after it use if to test whether branch rank less than or equal to 1, returning sum sales if true. This single measure approach gives the same result while keeping fewer measures in your model. Validate exactly the same way by placing branch and sales condensed into a table. To find the month with the lowest quantity sold, first make the aggregation for quantity. Create some quantity equal to sum of quantity. Then create a measure named quantity sold using VAR. Inside it, create VAR month rank equal to rank X over all of month using some quantity as the expression and set order to ascending with dense ties because you want the lowest month. Then return if month rank less than or equal to 1 then some quantity. Place month and quantity sold into a table visual. To find the top 2 product categories by sales, reuse the sum sales aggregation. Sales equal to VAR category rank equal to rank X, all, product category, column, comma, sum sales, double comma, descending comma, dense. Return if category rank less than or equal to 2 then sum sales. Add product category and category sales to a table visual. To get the top 5 product names by profit, first create a profit aggregation measure named sum profit equal to sum of profit. Total profit equal to VAR name rank equal to rank X, all, product name, column comma, sum profit double comma, descending comma, dense. Return if name rank less than or equal to 5 then sum profit. Add product name and total profit to a table visual, and sort by total profit in descending order to see the top 5 product names by profit. To find the branch with the highest cost, first create sum cost equal to sum of cost. Then create a measure named total cost equal to VAR branch rank equal to rank X over all of branch column using sum cost as the expression and ordering descending with dense ties. Return if branch rank less than or equal to 1 then sum cost. Place branch and total cost into a table to see which branch consumes the most cost. For the month with the highest gross margin, first create sum gross margin equal to sum of gross margin. Then build a measure named total gross margin equal to VAR month rank equal to rank X over all of month column using some gross margin as the expression and ordering descending with dense ties. Return if month rank less than or equal to 1 then some gross margin. Add month and total gross margin to a table visual and validate by checking the raw cross-margin totals. For the least used payment method, you cannot sum text columns, so use a count aggregation. Create a measure named payment method count equal to count of payment method. Then create a measure called count equal to VAR payment rank equal to rank X over all of payment method, using payment method count as the expression and order ascending with dense ties, because you want the lowest count. Return if payment rank less than or equal to 1 then payment method count. Put payment method and count into a table to see the least used payment method. Finally, to find the most repeated grade, use count again. Create grade count equal to count of sales grade. Then create a measure count equal to VAR grade rank equal to rank X over all of sales grade, using grade count as the expression and ordering descending with dense ties. Return if grade rank less than or equal to 1 then grade count. Add sales grade and count to a table visual. Throughout all these examples, validation is important. After creating the measure, always build a simple table visual with the categorical column plus the measure. If the measure returns a single row, add the raw column aggregate from the data model into the same table to double-check that the measure's result matches the highest or lowest raw value. That covers the full process for extracting top and bottom items using SUM, count, rank X, if, VAR, and return in Power BI. You learned how to build base aggregation measures, how to assign ranks using rank X with all, how to return only the items you care about with if, and how to combine ranking and returning logic in a single measure using VAR and return. That's it for today. See you in the next one.